Hey, if you've seen some others, I've been doing these Forever Clever Hasbro licensed G.I. Joe fake Lego things. This one is the Cobra Ferret. Got it and about 3 others of these smaller kits. Like these are the less than 50 piece sets, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. I mostly got these because this is the one that comes with Storm Shadow, and as you know, if you watch some of my other videos, I did a Storm Shadow COS, so that one's pretty cool. In a future video, I'll probably do the Ninja Speed Cycle. Really, I got this because it's Snake Eyes. Okay. And then I couldn't pass up getting the Cobra Fang because I actually had this when I was a kid. So my friend that I talked about in a previous video, he had the ferret. So anyway, we're just going to do the ferret here. This should be a quicker build than some of my others in unboxing. If I can get the tape off. Okay. There we go. Alright. Once again, using the classic art. And this one these weren't a super great deal. It says the original price is about $7 and you got them for like $4.50, but you know. Oh. Alright. Does anyone see anything wrong with that picture right there? This is the paper for color reference. Storm Shadow is not gray. That's why he's a total bad ninja. He can go around in stark white and still do his ninja-ness. Really, strike one. Okay, so there it is, ferret. All in all, not a bad build. It's one of the nicer kits. I mean, it doesn't totally really look like an ATV and you just saw a part fall off. And they had this weird thing that one of the stickers is actually supposed to be there under where the gun is, so there's a sticker that you really don't actually use. The figure can't actually interact with the vehicle because he just kind of sits on top and would fall right off. And apart from Storm Shadow on laundry day, when he has to wear one of his old dirty gray uniforms, other than that, it's an okay kit. I mean, but still, that kind of broke my heart, because on the box you literally see a nice genuine sort of Storm Shadow look there, but not so picture and reality. Okay, one of these things is not like the other. So anyway, that's the G.I. Joe Cobra Ferret from the Forever Clever collection there. One of the minis. So anyway, next time.